and of course into electromobility. Here on the CES, as I mentioned already, we will emphasize think. We consequently make our products and technologies and systems smarter in every field of our business, and think is the most important technology, and it will become the #1 differentiator in the future technology of automated industry and cars. And rapid digitization, of course, heavily influences our society, our companies, our economy, and this is the reason why we are emphasizing on that. Artificial intelligence is getting much faster, up to speed, as we expected before. And just give me an example for that. Last year, the first artificial intelligent computer beats the world-leading Go player, Go, which is one of the most complex and refined board games all over the world. So digitalization, artificial intelligence is a game changer for the automotive world, in car business, but also in industry, and as a world-leading supplier for those industries, we are facing these changes for the future. But ZF is just not only wanting to follow or to cope with this industry, we clearly want to shape the future of the digitalization and big data in the future. And to do this, we created with our strategy 2025 3 major initiatives to guide that and to make substantial progress in this regard. First initiative is our digital organization. We need to transform our company into a real digital thinking and acting company. And that includes that, of course, the digitalization becomes an inherent part of our work, of our business processes, and covers the whole organization. With that, of course, we nominated Manfred Shamati as a Chief Digital Officer, she's orchestrating the whole company in significant digitalization all through the organizations. And we anchored with this the digitalization on the highest level of our organizational structure, and give it, of course, the utmost importance in the company. So digital transformation team has already picked up its work, and it will actively drive and moderate this transition in our company. And of course, we have also already some first results which I would like to present to you. First of all, we started a cooperation in November last year with one of the startup incubators, Plug and Play. And as a founding anchor partner, we joined the accelerator network of Plug and Play, and with that we established ecosystems in Silicon Valley as well as in Berlin. Second initiative is R&D and digitalization. Dealing with artificial intelligence, with big data, will change a lot in R&D. How we design our products, how our products will work, and what are the processes behind that. And all the activities regarding software, data management, will have new technologies within our company. So the foundation of that is that we already created a new capital venture organization, ZF Zukunftsventures, which really gives us access to new technology, to disruptive ideas and disruptive technologies. Zukunft means future in German, and this will really help us to increase our innovation processes and of course include all those ideas into our company. But digitalization means also the changes affect the whole world, the whole company, how we are working at ZF. With a project-based workflow, with agile processes, with flat hierarchies, and with always access to all information, we will drive the new technologies through our company. As a company and organization, we will embrace the change of digitalization for the next time. With optimized logistics and also the way to create a digital factory, we will head our way towards the Internet of Things. And let me give you some examples of where we invest with our ZF Zukunft and Ventures. For example, we bought a 40% share in a LiDAR scanning company, IBEO, a specialist in LiDAR, and also for autonomous driving functionalities. We did the same for a software company in telematics area, Double Slash, and the clear purpose is, under the roof of ZF Zukunft Ventures, we keep those companies as creative, as agile, as fast as they are today, and then of course we provide the system capability all in the area of see, think, act if it comes to business and processes. So these are investments, and these are corporations, these are eco-networks, and no takeovers. That's very important for us. Next step, of course, we need to boost our software engineering. Therefore, we created a new ZF Tech Center in Hyderabad, India. 1st of March, we will start there, and we have a clear target that we want to have 2,500 engineers in 2020 in this new engineering center. They will work on software engineering, but also back up our mechanical company, our mechanical engineering, in order to create our vision of intelligent mechanic systems of the future. Third initiative, of course, is digital products. Further digitalization, of course, will change our products itself, but also opens up new kind of products, which is services and new digital products which we do not have in our portfolio today. We make mechanical systems more powerful with artificial intelligence. We're using cloud-based technologies as a key enabler for the future. And I would like to give you another example which we have introduced. This is the example X to Save, what we can do with this kind of new products and business models. X to Save is one of the first proofs of a new strategy, of totally new digital products. And it's really going beyond automotive. X to Save is an intelligent algorithm which communicates between vehicles on one side. Vehicles can be cars, trucks, everything on the road, and all other vulnerable road users, which are pedestrians or cyclists or whatever you have on the road. They will be connected through their wearables, through their smartphones, so the connection, the exchange of information will then, of course, prohibit any accidents between those. So, if you are looking into the future, of course we have a vision that more and more people and vehicles become connected and interactively in a safety network will be protected from accidents in the future. And this vision is of a high relevance because still 1,250,000 people are still killed per year in the road traffic, and we have a huge potential, and a lot of them are in this situation looking on their smart devices and not focusing on the traffic situation. So X to Save is a self-learning algorithm which really, on the basis of artificial intelligence, can integrate easily all kinds of variables, bicycles, skateboards, connect them to vehicles and other road users, and with this intelligence prevents everybody from accidents. X to Save was developed in the ZF Denkfabrik. Denkfabrik is the German word for think tank. It's an agile team with engineers who really think out of the box. And ZF Denkfabrik is one example as one of the future-oriented R&D units within ZF, using new processes, designing complete new products outside of our core business, just like startups in the IT business, in the digital industry. So if it comes to new digital systems like X2Save, of course the capability in managing this amount of data in real time is one of the differentiating technologies of the future. And the same, of course, is true not only for X2Save, also for autonomous driving vehicles and trucks in the future. And this is where we think that the Think is one of the differentiating factors of the future. And computing power will exceed tremendously the basis which we have today in our devices. So the race for the best technology and the competitiveness of tomorrow, of course, we are seeing in the speed and the power of computing. And the smartness, of course, of the software. And without artificial intelligence, the capability of self-learning vehicles will not be ready for the complex traffic situations of the future. So regarding Think, this morning we present you a new technology that really can change the industry. So please have a look. What you see here